Hello, my name is Maxim Marko. I am a WordPress developer and I'd like to show you how to create custom Gutenberg blocks using WPP Generator. Now I'm on the WPP Generator page where I can create a WordPress plugin starter kit for my future plugin. The link will be in the description below. Let's name our future plugin Gutenberg Custom Blocks. There are fields where you can fill in your plugin description, your nickname, plugin URL, etc. When you fill in your data, you can click the Create Plugin Boilerplate button. When the plugin is generated, you can download it to your PC. Here is my package and I can move forward, making any code changes I want. I'll not use the Upload plugin WordPress feature because I'd like to clean up my package first. There are lots of useful things there, but I need only the Gutenberg blocks today. I will unzip it directly to the plugin directory and will proceed. Now I can close the zip and go to the WordPress plugin page and refresh the page. Here is my plugin. Now I'm going to make some plugin changes via VS Code. I'm going to turn off some features and get rid of some files and folders. First, let's turn off the database table creation, because we don't need it. We don't need any custom post type too, so let's remove it. Then we can clean up the uninstall.php file and do the same with package.json file. We don't need Vite, Axios, Sass and some other stuff. Now, when we remove the unnecessary packages, we can open our terminal. Let's install WordPress packages needed for Gutenberg blocks creation. While the packages are installing, we can remove more unnecessary stuff. Here is the folder where we keep our Gutenberg blocks. In this file you can find our registered blocks. Our WordPress packages are installed and we can proceed. Let's start our dev environment and activate our plugin. Now let's create a page for our testing. Here are the pre-built Gutenberg blocks that you can use in your project. For example, content slider, simple image or simple text. Let me show you how the simple text block works. If you open the simple text block folder, you can find the block.json file where there is some data about this block. For example, its name. You can copy the title and find this block in the admin panel. It is the most simple block in this package, but you can improve it. Let's change the text and save the page. Works well. The changes you can make in the src folder. Here is some React.js code, so if you are familiar with this, there won't be any problem for you to manage it. Let's change some text first. Yes, the changes are immediately implemented. Now, let's check some more difficult blocks. For example, nested Gutenberg blocks. Imagine you'd like to create a group of blocks that will be working in a specific area. There will be a parent block and several child blocks. I'm going to show you how to implement this. When you find the nested block in the inserter, you can see there is only one type of child block there. You can add as many child blocks as you want. But what if you wish to add one more type of child block? Let me show how to do that. We need to simply copy the existing child block, rename it and make some changes. Now, let's create something else instead of the text field. I'd like to use a drop-down menu here. So, I simply need to find a select component in the src folder and copy the code. Our component is called select control. Let's import it first and find some code snippet to add it to our child block. Here is a great example. Let's remove unnecessary things and change existing ones. We should rename the attribute and add it to our blog.json file. We have to add some properties here to let WordPress know what and where is saved. After we finish changing the blog.json file, we can continue and edit our React code. Our data will be saved in this place. Our dev environment stopped because of issues in blog.json file, but we can start it one more time. Now, let's check if our block 2 in its place. No, it isn't. Let's figure out why. First, we have to add the child block to the allowed blocks in the parent block. Let's check if the child block there. No, it isn't. Continue searching. The wrong name of the folder. Let's fix it. Check one more time. Nope. I think I know where one more issue is. I had to register our new block. Let's check one more and I hope the final time. Yes, there are two child blocks there. Let's add block 2 and check it. It's working well, but there isn't any options on the front end. Let's fix this issue. Let's test it. Works well. Okay, what if you want to display a dynamic data using Gutenberg block? For this goal, we can use the server-side rendering feature. Let me show you. We also have a server-side rendering pre-built block in our plugin, so we can simply make changes and enjoy it. Here we register our block. In this place we are going to manage our PHP code and get dynamic data. Let's make some changes to the file to check how it works. First, let's find the block in the inserter. There is no similar block. Why? Because of the category. If we change the category, the block will be there. Yes, it's there. Now, as you can see, there is some PHP code that gets the data from the database. And some input data that can be used for some features. Let's display the data in a better way. Test works well. Change the number via the admin panel. Good. But why are there so many posts? Let's check the issue. Yes, WordPress saves lots of data in the posts table, but not all of them are posts. Let's change the SQL a bit. Yes. So, that's what I wanted to show you according to the Gutenberg blocks. There are several more blocks in WPP Generator, but you can check them by yourself. If you are interested in other Gutenberg block components, you can find them here. There are lots of features that you can use on your websites. For example, buttons, cards, or color palette. Thank you.